as we all walk through life with misdirection on purpose. So you will be distracted from your real self, the one that can never be manipulated or coerced or tricked into thinking of the materialism is the only tool. It's not as powerful as you may seem. It's an energy. Everything has energy. Your energy. And your energy matches the materialism. You're not poor. That's a mindset. The environment that we're all in leads us to believe. You're led to believe the state is real. We live in commerce. You being the consumer, the product, enslaved, and not even realizing you're living in a world, so to speak, thinking that you're free. Where's freedom? It's only in the mind. Because as you look down, the shackles, you look in the mirror, the masks, to keep you muffled, tied down, and in most cases choosing relationships, putting specifically people in your life to keep you down, using the best abilities against you, your sympathy, your understanding, your empathic ways, your pure high, and still trying to use it against you by putting being souls, consumers, into your life. Not necessarily all for the greater good, but in seeing this, understanding and believing that it is maybe for the greater understanding, so I can see.